Many of the building services engineers we work with have been in their roles for a number of years, and interviewing after such a long time out of the market can be a daunting prospect. We've coached hundreds of engineers across the UK on how to conduct themselves in an interview situation and how to get what they want in order to meet their career goals and aspirations, whether out of their current business or out of an entirely new role. Once you've done everything you can to progress your career with your current engineering business, to no avail, it will be time to reignite your search for a new career. In this video, I'm going to cover our 5 must-know interview tips to perfect your technique and be sure that you're ready. The interview starts as soon as it's booked. Preparation is the key to success. Once you have an interview in place, it's time to start doing your research. Look at the company's website and social media channels to gauge their culture. Find areas of interest to you and discover parts of the business that you might want to ask for more information on during the interview. Get those questions written down in advance to make sure that everything you're looking to gain from the interview is covered. It's as much about them as it is about you. Check out your interviewer or interviewers on LinkedIn and get to know a little bit about them. Maybe they studied engineering or sustainability at the same university as you. Perhaps they volunteer for similar charities. The topics that someone posts about on social media is a big indication on what matters to them. If you have mutual interests, you've already uncovered a way to break the ice and make yourself more memorable. Make sure you know where you're going. There is nothing worse than turning up at the wrong place or turning up at an office when it is in fact a virtual interview or vice versa. Clue yourself up on all the details. Respect everyone's time. By this, we simply mean be punctual. Building services engineering is a busy industry. Arriving for an interview 5 to 10 minutes early shows enthusiasm, respect for the interviewer's time, and regard for your own time management. If you're going to be unavoidably late, make sure that you phone ahead to let your interviewer know. The importance of body language. Non-verbal communication is a biggie, even if you're in a virtual interview. For online interviews, make sure that your phone and other devices are elsewhere. There's nothing more tempting than hearing your phone buzz and glancing over during an interview. You want your eyes to be paying attention to your interviewer at all times. Sit up straight, shoulders back, and keep your arms unfolded. Show the interviewer that you're listening with your facial expressions and nod your head when relevant. For in-person interviews, it's not too dissimilar. Eye contact is huge. It shows that your attention is with them. Portray confidence by sitting up straight, shoulders back, and keep your arms unfolded. When need be, let your face do the talking by being naturally expressive in response to what you're hearing. Dress to impress. This applies to interviews on or offline. You've seen those people who get caught out wearing nothing but their underwear on their bottom half during a Zoom call, right? Don't be that person. Studies have actually shown that dressing the part can make you feel the part. So if you look professional and confident, that's how you'll come across. Check with the company or your recruiter to find out what the attire expectations are. There are fewer businesses nowadays that expect a suit and tie or smart dress, but better to be safe than sorry. Allow yourself to be calm. The night before and the day of the interview, allow yourself time for self-care, whatever that may look like to you. Maybe it's a bath, maybe it's watching a few episodes of your favourite Netflix programme, a walk on the beach, or a visit to the gym. Looking after yourself reduces your stress levels, and entering an interview in an already stressed state is good for no one. Reduce those stress levels by investing some time in the things that make you happy, and you'll feel far more confident by the time you enter your interview. If you liked this video, get to the next level of preparation with our must-ask interview questions. If you're feeling like you could use some more advice, get in touch with one of our team.